Hello everyone, it's a nice day on the St. Pete Beach. Here is plenty of parking. However, if it was a nice summer day or a nice spring break day, it would be no parking available. So if you're here on the very hot time with the beautiful weather, you should come here early in the morning, like before 10 o'clock. So people selling the stuff. Some is homemade. I would say even like not homemade, but handmade. It's beautiful, I like it. Look at this Floridian. Some of them are wearing shorts and shirts, and other one having jackets on. 76 degrees outside right now. In the morning it was 65, 68. It's windy.
Did you hear what I said?
No, we didn't listen.
I said if I had a good looking women, I'd hang on to her too.
She's in TROEPLE though.
It's a nice place to have some snacks, drinks. And prices are pretty much good. Ooh, the water is so close. People look like they enjoy to be in the water. I didn't check the water temperature. Now I will have to use my feet as thermometer. Don't you love live music? It's so beautiful. I love it. The color of the sky and the water is stunning today. People in the water, but I'm pretty sure it's not recommended by lifeguards to be in the water. So it's a lot of fun, but please, please, please keep an eye on your kids and each other. Lots of people out on the beach today. In my personal opinion, I believe that St. Pete Beach is cooler than Clearwater Beach. It's also crowded, but I feel like this place is a little more cozy. The water is actually not warm anymore. I mean, it seems like it's like in 70s, maybe like 75, 78 degrees.
There's a place in New York.
But still, it's nice to be in the water. I hope my microphone is working well against the wind. Usually, this place doesn't look as dirty as now. I believe because of the big waves, all the seaweed got washed on the shore. But usually it's not that bad. Usually it's much cleaner. I promise. I have not been here for a couple years already. I'm not much of a beach person, but I do like to have some walks in the town, because the streets over there are so tiny, cozy, with lots of beautiful houses and buildings, a lot of old architecture masterpieces. And it seems to be very peaceful, and it is the place where I like to be. I can't stay, I do like the beach, but I cannot spend the whole day on the beach. I do have most of my friends who live in Florida, they enjoy spending the beach day almost each Sunday. I can do like 1-2 hours and I'm done. It's too boring for me. I do a swim, I do walk. I don't like to lay like other people do, unless I have a book. I like walking. I prefer walking around. Lots of seagulls. Don't bring food on the beach. Go away. When you have to eat, just walk away from the beach, because seagulls are going to attack you. And they don't mind to poop on top of your heads. So keep this in mind. And please, 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 please avoid bringing plastic wraps, plastic bags, and all the plastic packaging on the beach, because it flies away fast, and even if you are a good person who doesn't leave trash behind, you still can miss it, because the wind is going fast. And these little silly seagulls are also very good thieves. Here in Pinellas County, where St. Pete Beach is and Clearwater Beach is, unfortunately we did not ban the plastic straws yet and other plastic stuff. At Miami Beach, I know they banned it, and all the Keys banned it too. And even if you go to McDonald's, they will give you a paper straw. Which is not enough, but I mean, like, the first step is done. Good. I would ban all the balloons and all the plastic, unless it's reusable plastic and you will take it home for sure. And the funny part, after all of this that I just talked about, I realized I have a water locked in a bottle, just a regular plastic bottle. But I promise I'm not throwing it on the beach. I'm taking my trash home. The weather is really nice for the walking, for the little stroll. Or maybe even a big stroll. But please, if you're not native to Florida, I'm reminding you that the sun is killing here. Use sunscreen or an umbrella. or just cover yourself head to toes, especially in the middle of the day. There's the historic hotel, the pink one over there. It's very beautiful, and it looks like it's more durable than other building that like twice younger than this building. This building is kind of like 100-year-old. Another like 50, 40, 30 years old buildings look not that trustworthy, not that strong as that old one. And definitely not as beautiful as that one. Let's get a little bit out of the beach. And we'll see what's going on in the town. There are tiny little convenience stores, or you just can have like a walk around the city. I would not call it city, it's a town. It's like a little tropical village. It gives me a lot of like Key West vibes, but this place looks cleaner than Key West. And there's also lots of bars and little places where you can eat. Oh my goodness, they made a little slide for us. I'm grateful it's not wet today. Nice little shower, but just for my feet. No shower for the whole entire body unless you're like small enough to go down there and shower all of your body. It's not a problem because there are like more shower stations in here, and there is a shower for the whole entire body, I promise. That's the parking. Let's see how much is the parking. Do we see anything? It says $4.75 per hour. Oh my goodness, last time I was here it was like $3. And they tell us inflation is just like 8.9%. Actually, I didn't check on inflation. It's probably lower now because all the prices went up already. Bathrooms. I don't remember if I've ever been there, so I cannot rate the bathrooms. But they look like something not really cool and not really bad. So let's rate it unknowingly between 6 and 8 out of 10. It's a little playground, kind of like it's a preschool, but I'm not sure what is that. It's Sunday, guys. I forgot to tell you that it's mid-October. It's going to be church traffic starting right now. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's it? It's 1 o'clock? It is, so church traffic is gone already. I don't watch the time on Sundays. I'm just enjoying my day. Nothing cute. Just dumpsters. But there is a tennis court. I'm wondering if it's a community tennis court or just or just for certain people, tennis court for residents only. I'm putting on my shoes. Let's go, guys. Look at that watercolor and this little house. It's not actually that little. It looks little, but it's pretty much good enough size for me. It seems like that's a community tennis court. I'm pretty sure it's like private property, and we're not supposed to be here, but we pretend we are not sure. So beautiful. Don't you believe so? And the great blue heron. Alright guys, thank you for being with me, for watching my videos. Please remember to like it and to leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.